Morning children, welcome to our SST class. Beta, please open lesson number 10, Our Neighboring Countries. So this brown box, beta, you have to do by your own because it is again general questions are there. Write down the name of your neighbor. You can write your own name of your neighbor. Okay, name your neighbors or partner in your classroom. Name two cities that are neighboring or very close to the city where you live. Okay. Now let's start with the chapter. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It is so large that its northern part touches the Arctic Circle and the southern part touches the equator. The longitudinal extent of Asia is about 30 degree east to 180 degree east longitude. Beta, this is your Asia. This is world map. This is your Asia. If you find Asia again is the largest continent in the world. See, this is your world and Asia is the largest. This portion is your Asia. Full portion is your Asia. Okay, this one from here to here. So this is the largest continent in the world. And again, if you find why it is so, if you find this northern portion, it touches the Arctic. This is your Arctic Circle. This line is visible to all, I think so. This line is your Arctic Circle. Okay, this touches the Asia touches the Arctic Circle from the north. Okay, this is your Asia and it touches from here Arctic Circle, and it is so wide that it in southern part touch the equator. If you find this is your equator. Okay, we also come in our Asia. This is our India. Okay, Himalaya, India, everything is given. I think you all got. And what is again longitudinal this extent of Asia? Again 30 degree east to 180 degree east longitude. We are here in this area, east side. This is the reason. Neighboring countries of India. Now it's time to study about the neighboring countries of India. So let's study about it. India is located in Asia, that we all know. It is a southward extension of the continent. India and its neighboring countries together form an Indian subcontinent. India's neighboring countries are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Now India is where it is located? It is located in Asia. So where we lie in Asia, north or south? We lie in the southward extension of Asia. Okay, and again we know that again we are having so many neighbors. Some of the neighbors we'll read now. We are having a neighbors like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Now we are going to study about. First of all, I tell you where we are. In Asia, if you find this is your Asia, this is your north side and this is your south. So where we lie in the southward extension down here. Okay, now this is your India and this is your Pakistan this side. Now we are going to study about Pakistan. Now official now just see name of capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Other important cities like in our country we are having like Delhi famous. Okay, so here we are having Lahore and Karachi famous. Like we have Mumbai and this Delhi, they are having a famous cities. Important cities over there are Lahore and Karachi. And which currency they are using? They are using Pakistani rupee, and official language of the Pakistan is Urdu. Now it's time to study about the other things about Pakistan. Officially called the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What is the official name of Pakistan? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is a South Asian country with a coastline along the Arabian Sea and the Gulf of Oman. It is the border in the north and west. It is bordered in the north and west by the Afghanistan, southwest by Iran, and east by India. But look at this map. Here it is Pakistan. Pakistan, again, when we are talking about the Pakistan, again this is a South Asian country with the coastline along with the Arabian Sea. This is a Arabian Sea. If you find which coastline here touches in the south, Arabian Sea. This is your Arabian Sea full. Okay, and it is bordered in north and west by the Afghanistan. This is your north and this is your west. And which countries lies in the north and west? Afghanistan. Got it, all of you children? Then if you find here down, when we come, it touches the Iran. Okay. So again in East India, we are lying in the east of Pakistan. Okay. When we are talking about Pakistan, we are in the east. Okay, of Pakistan. Got it, all of you children? I think so. So now it's time to study about the physical features of country. Physical features of Pakistan. The country is divided into 3 broad physical areas: high northern mountains, the Indus Plain, and the plateau of Balochistan. Then the main mountain range is Karakoram. In the north of country, the Indus River basin is drained by its 5 tributaries: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. Agriculture is mainly practiced in fertile plains of the Satluj. So this is your Pakistan, okay, and this Pakistan is again divided into 3 physical features. When we are talking about then 3 broad physical areas, it is divided into high northern mountain. This side they are having high northern mountain. Then they are having this Indus Plain this side, okay. Then this side Balochistan, okay. This way they have divided, this way, okay. Then we are having here, and the main mountain ranges here. If you find these pink lines, these are the mountain ranges only. These again, which is the main one here, Karakoram, okay. The again Indus River basin drained by its 5 tributaries. This is your Indus. Are you able to see? I think so, all of you. This is your Indus. This is a main river. Again, small rivers out of it are drained. So those small rivers are called as tributaries. Okay, main river is Indus. From there, which other rivers are flowing from here? From Indus, we are having Satluj. Then we are having this Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and Beas is with us. Okay, this was all in it. On which one is again which main occupation they practice? The main occupation is agriculture over here. Okay, how it is linked with the India? Before 1947, India and Pakistan were one nation. In 1947, when India gained independence, the British divided India into 2 parts and Pakistan became separate nation. The ruins of Indus Valley civilization, the twin cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, are in Pakistan. Nankana Sahib, the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and a holy pilgrimage site of Sikhs, is also in a modern day Pakistan. I think all you come to know. Before independence, beta, Pakistan and India was one. Okay, as this after when we gained this independence, British divided our country into 2 parts, that is Pakistan and India. Okay, we can find the ruins of Indus Valley civilization also there. Okay, which one those? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. And our, as we all know, that Nankana Sahib is a birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and that is also lying in the Pakistan, modern Pakistan. Okay, point of contact: Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab share their borders with the Pakistan. Beta, this is your Pakistan. So how which states are contacting, means where we are having a border this with the Pakistan, where we have a point of contact with Pakistan. From here, from the north, we are again have a touch with the Pakistan. In here we are touching with the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, beta, here. Then we are having our Gujarat. Again, it touches the Pakistan, Gujarat. Then Rajasthan, beta, and Punjab. Okay, beta. Next comes beta our China, officially called the People Republics of China. It is most populated country in the world and fourth largest in area. It occupies most of the mainland of East Asia. If you find that this area, the area of the China is too much big, okay, even it covers the mainland of East Asia, most of the mainland, okay. And what is the official name of China? People's Republic of China, and it is a most populated country in the world, okay. Now it's time to study about the physical features of China. The most important physical feature of China are Gobi Desert, then is your Taklamakan Desert, Tarim Basin, then Khingan Range, Hwangho. The Yangtze are the major rivers in China. These rivers have made these rivers have made fertile river plains where agriculture is main occupation of the people. Now it's time to. So all you come to know, beta, that again China is having a Gobi Desert, then is the Taklamakan Desert and Tarim Basin and Khingan Range. So Hwangho and this Yangtze are the major rivers in China. Because of these major rivers, what happened? The land become fertile. Plain areas of the land, this land becomes fertile. And what happened? Because of this, agriculture is the main occupation of the people. So this Fahin and this Hyun Sang were the two Chinese traveler, okay, who traveled to India, and they recorded their experience in travelogue, okay. Then beta, here we are having a China. What is the capital city of the China? Beijing. And other important cities in China are Shanghai and Hong Kong. And this currency is renminbi. Official language is Mandarin Chinese. These are a bit of points of contact. So how we are contacting with the China and China is contacting with us. China lies to the north of India. This is your China and it lies to the north of India. Okay. And we share our border like from Jammu and Kashmir, then Himachal Pradesh also, okay. Here Himachal Pradesh. Then we are again sharing our border with it from here Sikkim, okay. Here from Sikkim. Then we are sharing our border with here from Arunachal Pradesh. Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. If you find, you are able to see, this comes Nepal. Here it touches from Sikkim, and here we are having, I think then we are again here Uttarakhand also, okay. This is your Uttarakhand. It touches the border with the China. This was all, beta. In next video I'll share with you the rest of the chapters like Nepal, Bangladesh and all. Read the chapter very carefully because questions are set from within the chapter also. Have a good day, children.